clicking on it now, and it brings it up. Okay, Alania. Lania's with me now.
Yeah.
Lania, would you like, what level would you like? Beginner level, intermediate level, or okay, let's maybe start at beginner level, right?
Yeah.
Okay. B, the present tense verbs, the present simple tense, have got. B, the simple. Which one would you like to test?
The simple present tense.
B. Okay. B. Okay. Number one. B, am, are, is. Okay. Okay. So we've got to swipe up.
I am okay.
So we've got to swipe up the correct word, right?
So there's going to be multiple.
Okay. Let's see. Play. Is it I am an accountant, they are an accountant, or you are an accountant? You just tell me and I'll do it.
I
am an accountant.
I am an accountant.
Okay. They are bored. They am
Yeah,
bored. Are bored.
They are bored.
is.
She is unhappy.
Oh. I
am interested.
Hurry up.
is.
She is at the dentist's.
I
am from Germany.
is.
He is hot.
Hurry up.
They
are at the bank.
Very good.
Aha.
Okay, next one is contractions, right?
He's from the UK.
We've got to, right? Draw the line for the correct.
Should I do this one?
Yes. Okay, because it's just a
No,
continuation of that
the-
same one.
the-
No, I'll. You just tell me which one.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll start playing. All right.
She
Yeah, you tell me quickly.
why are they
She. Which option? Then at school.
is.
Gosh.
She's at school.
The contraction. You know, instead of is, what is the?
Oh.
Okay. I what? I. Then what?
I'm
I'm from Italy. I'm a soldier.
They're from
They're from Russia.
Hurry!
He's at the
He's at the store.
what? I'm
I'm a scientist.
There at school.
They're at school.
Move a bit faster, please. You're taking too long.
She's
angry.
Very good.
Okay, we didn't quite get all of that. Next. Okay. Oh, it's an ad. Okay.
Skip. Why do you wait for ads? When there's an X.
There's no X there.
There is.
Sorry.
It was at the start of the ad.
We aren't hungry.
Okay,
We are not.
okay, let's play.
He isn't hot. I'm not hot.
Okay, wait.
I.
He's not hot.
He isn't hot.
He isn't hot.
Okay, so, okay, right, next.
We are not from Australia.
Aren't.
We aren't.
We aren't from Australia.
I am not.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not at work.
They. It starts off with they.
They aren't.
They aren't at work.
Hey. I'm recording this, you twit.
She isn't a scientist.
She isn't a scientist.
They aren't from China.
They aren't from China.
I'm not at school.
I'm not at school.
He isn't from India.
He isn't from India.
Very good.
Okay, next.
Got it.
No.
2, 1.
See, I didn't see. That's what happened.
I'm happy. I like it.
Oh.
Okay.
I like it.
Much names, huh?
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
I want a cat.
I want a cat. I love animals.
Oh yeah.
I play football. I am excited.
Do yoga.
I am on the bus. I do yoga.
Great.
I am great.
Very good.
Take it. A dash unit, right?
What?
Subject.
I'm not doing this.
The present simple tense. Why?
What the? How is
Is he?
How is he?
How? How is he?
It's too easy. He's cold.
He's cold.
You are cold?
No.
Are you cold? Are you cold?
Are you? Are you cold?
No. Don't answer. Remember, it's capital letters. I am not cold. It's just simple. I am not cold. Mom, he's different.
No.
No.
Yes,
I am not. No, I am not cold.
Look at the question. No. Look at the question. Are you cold? And then you have to answer the question.
yeah, it's hard. She
Is she from? Is she from the USA?
Adele, she should answer. Not just
Yes.
there.
She.
1,000 years.
She's from.
Just look at
Yes, she's from the USA.
No, mom's answering all the questions.
Yes.
Well, she wants you to answer the questions.
Where are you?
I'm
Bye.
at work.
I'm at work.
He wait, can I see?
Is he hot?
Oh, come on.
No,
No.
he's not. No, he's not hot.
You are. Where are you?
Where are you?
I don't stop me fast. Am I at work?
You're answering the question.
I am at work.
I
You have to say
am.
it
I am at work.
first.
You're answering the question, so obviously
Is he a dentist? A dentist.
Alright.
Is he a dentist?
Yes.
Yes. He
He's a dentist.
he's yes, he's a dentist.
Where
Where
are you
are
from?
you? Where are you from?
I
am from
the
I am from the UK.
This app, it's just to show you the layout of it. So this is basically what you get. Learning at beginner and intermediate, you get a bit of extra practice in verbs and tenses, some extra practice in suffixes, a few challenges, and then some grammar guides. There are a lot of these exercises. You will find that you can only open them up if you pay for them. There will be some free ones in each of these categories. Okay, say for example, learning at beginner level. Everything here is basically free. So if you open in at intermediate level, you can see only the first 3 exercises are free. Everything else you'll have to pay for. Extra practice with verbs and tenses, only the first level is free. Everything else you pay for. Suffixes, only the first thing is free. And the challenges, only the first 2 levels are beginner and intermediate. The other 2 challenges you have to pay for. The English grammar guides, beginner grammar guide, intermediate grammar guide, verb reference and suffix reference. You see their lists, so they're handy for someone who is going to read through and look at the different options, and perhaps for someone older than in primary school, just to show you. If you're looking at that, see the examples, subject, it's simple present simple tense, verbs. There's quite a bit of a guide in here, and it is handy, but it takes a while to go through, read, and really comprehend what it's trying to give you. So it's probably not appropriate for someone in lower than class 5 and maybe even lower than class 6. Yeah, but the other functions, the other exercises themselves are handy. So beginner level and intermediate level of the learnings. Those ones, of course, that are not free. And then there's a function at the right at the bottom here where you can adjust this to slower, because the exercises go at a certain speed before they start. Before they sort of like give you a wrong answer, or see your answer is wrong. If you haven't really answered it yet, it kind of generates another question. So you can make it a bit slower by moving this between the slow and the fast, moving that black bar, that blue bar closer to slow. The volume, you can mute it, and that's sometimes handy because the voice that's reading the sentence out can be quite harsh after a while. Yeah, that's And that's this app. One of the good things about this app is that it doesn't have many ads. The ads are not as intrusive as some of the other apps. Now, the way it's laid out is English grammar, which is the top of the 5 options here. It gives you a whole bunch of lessons. You can see it goes all the way to lesson 54. And just to give you an idea, say present simple, lesson 2. So it talks about the rule. It gives some examples, right? A few different scenarios. Past simple, lesson 4. Look at that, right? If we go down, will, future, lesson 17. Okay, if we go right down to lesson 50, about. You can see the language of these explanations is not so much targeted at a child, but if you have a child that whose English comprehension is okay, they can read these and understand parts of it. That's a starting point, and they can go through the exercises and actually improve. I believe this app is for 12 years plus, but you can give your younger children a shot at it and see how they go with the earlier levels and just help them grow and learn. The good thing about this app too is it doesn't appear to have the shopping cart options. If you look at beginner level, okay, what is this ad here? Just wait, exit out. So you have all these beginner, so they're set up as basic tests, and unlike the swiping action on the other game that I have reviewed, or the other app, this one, it's all just tapping motion, which is a little more relaxing. Let's see, future simple, number 3, we just have a look at that. Future simple, statement, negative, question, special question. Let's go with first one. So it gives you 10 options, and you just tap on whichever 2, and then she will order to do it. Okay, order to do it is a little strange, but okay, our boss will form it later. I will save the document. I'm sure this apartment will suit you. The song will become very popular. My colleagues and I will discuss this problem later. Okay, and at any point you can just exit any one of the tests. Right, so that just shows you beginner level. Advanced level, you have some more complex exercises. General test combines all sorts of things, so you can open up beginner and it's one of 50 questions. Tap over here for advanced, and you've got each of tests here, 45 tests. And of course bookmark is, you can bookmark something in particular. Okay, so it's very simple. You can see it does have ads that pop up, but far less intrusive than some of the other apps.
Thank you for watching!